Welcome to Temple Builders Carpentry. Temple Builders, we problem solvers. Temple Builders, safety first. Okay, Temple Builders, today we're talking about speeding up productivity. Now, I love a good framing hammer just as well as any other carpenter. However, as you begin to take on more projects and your projects become larger in size, you're going to need to invest in some force multipliers in order to make a profit. Now, one way to speed up productivity is to add different types of nailing guns to your arsenal of tools. Also, to go along with these pneumatic nailing guns, I have an air compressor right here with holes. Now, what you see right here is some budget-friendly nailing guns. Right here is a framing nailer. Some common degrees are 15, 21, 28, 30, and 34. This is a 21-degree framing nailer. Right here is a finish nailer. Okay, it uses 16 gauge nails. Right here is a brad nailer. It uses 18 gauge nails. And right here is a crown stapler. Okay, so let's get familiar with our compressor. Right here I got a 150 PSI 6-gallon tank. Here's our on and off switch. Right here we have two gauges. One is for our tank. This is the tank's pressure. And the other one is your regulated pressure. Okay, this is going to be the air pressure moving through your hose right here. Moving through your hose. I got my hose right here. Okay, now also here's our adjustment for our pressure or regulated pressure. Okay, right here on the side we have pressure release valve. Okay, and right up under here is a drainage valve. All right, so now let's turn on our compressor. Okay, my air compressor has stopped running because the tank is full. As you can see right here at my tank pressure gauge, we're almost at 150 PSI. Now, if we can look right here at our regulated pressure, it's between 80 and 100. Now, we can turn this up or down by moving this knob right here. You see right here, plus. Let's turn it to the right. My needle should move. See that right there? See how it moves? Let's turn to the left. Let's decrease it. Just like that, okay? So I think my framing gun runs at about maximum 115. We're gonna see in a minute, okay? Now right here, this is how we connect our hose, okay? We get our male end right here, connected to the female end. Just move our sleeve up, just like that. Now let's hook up our gun. Now I wanna advise that you take extreme caution when handling these nail guns, okay? They need to be treated as if they are actual firearms because they can be as dangerous or deadly. Now, some safety tips. First, let's put on our goggles, okay? Before we start using these, okay? I learned some time back to wear your goggles, particularly with these finish nailers, okay? Because when I was holding some wood, the finish nail deflected and it hit my nail and it went through my fingernail, okay? It did this twice, okay? One time it popped back and went towards my eyes. So you want to keep your goggles on at all times when using these guns. Now, some safety tips. When using your gun, you want to keep your finger like this when you're not actually in action, okay? When you're not actually using this gun. If you're holding it, you want to keep your finger right here at the ready. This is called at the ready. And secondly, you want to always treat this gun as if it's loaded, even if it's not loaded, okay? So that means you don't want to point it at nobody. Now, let's do it. Okay, so let's get familiar with our finish nailer we got right here. So here's our magazine. This is where we insert our nails. Here's our contact tip. Right here's our trigger. And right here we have a selector switch. So I can do single shot or I can do bump fire. Of course, right here, this male end is where I'm going to connect my hose. So when we get ready to shoot our gun, we just depress our contact tip and hit our trigger. Pow. Now, let's load up our gun. Right here, I got 16 gauge, 2-inch nails, okay? I put it through my magazine, bring back my catch lever, and voila, let's do it. You want to always look at the operating pressure that's on your gun. As you can see right here, it says 70 to 110 PSI. Let's look at our air compressor. Let's see what we have down here at our regulated pressure. Okay, we right at about 100. Okay, so we in between that running rate. So let's hook up our gun right here. All we had to do was pull back our sleeve and connect to our male end of our gun. And so you would use this finish nailer right here for something as if, let's say, shoe molding we got right here to go around baseboard. Yeah. All I'm doing is depressing my contact tip and hitting the trigger. Okay, so now let's get familiar with our framing nailer. You want to look at the labeling that's on your framing nailer. That's important. So right here we got 21 degrees, 3.5 inch full head, okay, framing nails that we want to use in this gun. Also, you want to look at the operating pressure. It's between 70 and 115 PSI. Now it's the same thing with this nailing gun right here. The same parts, but a little bit more. Right here we got the magazine, okay? This holds your nails. You got your contact tip, okay? You depress your contact tip and squeeze the trigger. Okay, now this knob on my framing nailer is used to set the depth of my nail. Okay, depending on which way you turn it, it's gonna drive your nail deeper into your material, or it's gonna allow it to sit higher in your material. Also, we got your trigger right here, and we have a exhaust port right here, so we can point this in what direction we want to, okay? Now, look down here, my male end of my gun. Right here it says oil daily. You want to do the same thing with all your guns. I put about 2 drops in here, okay? 1, 2. All right, so I'm using script nails, plastic collation. Let's pull back our latch, okay? So that latch holds back. Now you want to make sure your nails are angled right. We're gonna put them right here in the back in this slot back here, okay? Once we do that, we can release our latch and we're ready to go. Okay, so let's hook up our framing nailer, pull the sleeve back, just like that. Now, of course, your framing nailer is for heavier material. A gun like this will bust open some shoe molding, okay? So you're using 2x4s, 2x6s, depress, hit the trigger. See that? Depress, hit the trigger. This is gonna speed up your productivity, all right? So I hope this helped you out. Hit the like button, subscribe, become my apprentice, Temple.